Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Mobile, Local, and Long Distance Movers near me. 3Movers is a qualified freight company that can handle all your transportation needs to and from Mobile, Alabama. Whether your move is within Mobile or across U.S. states, we can safely ferry all your belongings quickly and securely. The quality of our services and our affordable moving rates makes us one of the best moving companies in Mobile, Alabama. When you're moving across the U.S. states, it's best to hire a professional moving company with an experienced moving team such as the 3Movers, because you need a partner with the capacity to move all your items, whether household or office related. You'll notice that most local movers in Mobile, Alabama have requirements for a local move. For instance, the distance from your current location should not exceed 50 miles. A move beyond 50 miles is considered to be a long distance move. Hiring a reputable moving partner such as 3Movers will ensure that it takes about 3 days to deliver all your belongings to your new abode. 3Movers offers very affordable rates, local moving services in Mobile, Alabama. At 3Movers, we will ascertain that all your belongings are delivered on time and securely. This makes us a better option than most mobile moving companies. In addition, your property is insured against breakage or loss, so you can rest assured that no hiccups will occur during the moving process. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.